Today we are going to KL and it was amazing. Our flight landed and we took a Grab car. We saw some very tall buildings. We reached the hotel. When we went into the hotel, the bed was so cozy. And when we opened the curtains, the view was so satisfying. I was hungry, so we went into a Vietnamese restaurant. The chicken noodle was yummy. We went into a shopping mall and took photos with some Lego panda. I like the cereal of the buffet session, as well as the toast. Oh wow, we got some plate of fruit.
So today we're taking a look at SnoWalk.
Okay.
Which it's pretty cool. Kind of a winter wonderland attraction in the middle of Southeast Asia.
Oh, wow. Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, so they've got, all this stuff set up for like a winter experience.
Driving bumper
but-
car in cold.
It's in a place where it never snows.
Yeah.
And we've got these great videos
Oh, cool.
from this dad, Scott, who took his two sons,
Sure.
Ivan and Ray there.
Ivan and Ray. Yeah.
And it's all decorated, for Christmas and winter, and it's amazing.
So they've got the whole, Santa Claus and reindeer and all that.
Oh yeah, the whole 9 yards. They've even got like a fake aurora thing set up.
Wow.
It's pretty wild.
That's interesting. Like, they've really gone all out to create that whole atmosphere.
Yeah, and the kids just love it.
Of course.
They're going crazy on the bumper cars.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, like those ones that are on ice.
Uh-huh.
They're just like ramming into each other,
Yeah.
cracking up.
Oh, that's great.
So it's pretty funny to watch.
Yeah, I can imagine.
And then they go to the slides.
They have slides there, too.
Oh yeah, huge ones.
Wow.
They're racing each other down.
That sounds fun.
It is like you can just feel their energy
Yeah.
through the video.
I wonder, though, do you think kids who grew up with actual snow would find this as exciting?
That's a good question.
Like, maybe they'd be kind of over it,
Yeah, maybe. I guess it depends on the kid.
Right.
But then after all that, they go to this SnoWalk Aurora thing.
What's that?
It's like this big room.
Okay.
And they've got lights and music,
Huh.
and they're projecting this Aurora Borealis on the ceiling.
Oh, wow. So it's like a simulated Northern Lights experience.
Exactly.
That's really creative.
And it's a total change of pace from the bumper cars and slides.
Yeah. Definitely like going from all that excitement to something more peaceful.
Right. It's actually kind of cool to see that contrast.
I like that.
They can't
I
resist the
like
classics.
playing
What
a
do you mean?
snow
They go build a
castle.
snowman.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, they're out there rolling those giant snowballs.
I bet it's not real snow, though, is it?
I don't think so. Probably some kind of artificial snow.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But they're really into it.
That's the important part.
And of course, what comes after building a snowman?
Let me guess, a snowball fight.
You got it.
Classic.
It's an all-out war.
I bet.
They're dodging and throwing snowballs.
Must be fun to watch.
It is. It's hilarious.
So what else is there at SnoWalk?
It's actually pretty massive.
Really?
Yeah, it's the size of 2 football fields.
Wow, that's huge.
And they've got all these incredible ice sculptures.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, they were made by artisans from Harbin, China.
Harbin.
Yeah, they're famous for their ice festivals.
Oh, right, of course.
So it's really impressive stuff.
That's awesome. Like, they've really brought in expertise from around the world.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So, out of everything, what stood out to you the most about Ivan and Ray's adventure?
That's tough.
Was it the excitement of the ride?